Thermal Engineering lecture series. Today we are going to discuss about problems in Otto cycle. See the problem. In an Otto cycle, the temperature at the beginning and end of the isentropic compression are 316 Kelvin and 596 Kelvin respectively. Determine the air standard efficiency and compression ratio. Take gamma equal to 1.4. Now going to solve the problem. What are the given data? In isentropic compression, the initial and final temperatures are 316 Kelvin and 596 Kelvin. So isentropic compression process 3 to 4 in Otto cycle PV diagram. One to two isentropic expansion. 1 to 2 isentropic 2 to 3 constant volume process. 3 to 4 isentropic compression. So 3 to 4 isentropic compression. So initial temperature at isentropic compression T3. So T3 equal to, in given data, T3 equal to 316 Kelvin. And the final temperature T4 equal to 596 Kelvin. And isentropic index gamma equal to 1.4. We know in isentropic, our question is air standard efficiency, eta equal to air standard efficiency eta equal to 1 minus 1 by r power gamma minus 1. 1 minus 1 by r power gamma minus 1. So unknown value in this equation, R value. How to find the R value? We know the isentropic compression process 3 to 4. Isentropic compression process 3 to 4. T3 by T4, T3 by T4 equal to V4 by V3 power gamma minus 1 equal to, we know the compression ratio R equal to V3 by V4. So 1 by R equal to R power gamma minus 1. 1 by R power gamma minus 1. So gamma equal to 1.4. Therefore, 1 by R power 1.4 minus 1. So 1 by R power 0.4. R power 0.4. So R power 0.4 equal to T4 by T3. R power from the equation R power from the equation R power 0.4 equal to T3 by T4, T4 by T3, T4 by T3. So from that, R equal to, from the equation, R equal to T4 by T3 power 1 by 0.4, 1 by 0.4. So what is the value of T4? 596. 596 divided by 316 power 1 by 0.4 equal to, what is the value? 4.886. So R equal to 4.886 answer. Now substitute the value R equal to 4.886 in the equation. Reaction efficiency eta equal to eta equal to 1 minus 1 by 4.886 power 0.4. So gamma minus 1, gamma equal to 1.4 minus 1 equal to 0.4. From that equation, eta equal to 0.469. So the answer eta equal to 46.9 percentage. So approximately equal to 47 percentage. So eta equal to reaction efficiency eta equal to 47 percentage, and compression ratio R equal to 4.886. Dear students, if you like this video, share it to your friends and subscribe our channel for continuous lecture series in thermal engineering. Thank you, thermal engineering and all the mechanical engineering subjects. Thank you very much.